Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie Ramos and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look right here. Yes, girl. So I am using today the Morphe Artist Pass palette collaboration with Saweetie. That's what I'm using today. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have one eye done. I'm gonna start this eye. Camo concealer. Taking this on a brush and going in to my eye. And then I am gonna bring this concealer at the bottom of my eye so there's no discoloration when I do my under eye. The brush that Saweetie came out with Morphe, it's this blending brush, the color Green Room. And you're just gonna pack this on to the crease. Since it is kind of like a really pigmented color, just pack it on. And I'm doing mine kind of in a V shape. Kind of like this one. And then using a clean fluffy brush to diffuse the edges. Okay, so now that we have that blended out, that crease edge, we're gonna go with a pointed fluffy brush. And then we're gonna go back in the palette and get this yellow color called Under the Sun. And then this color, you're just gonna pack it close to the crease. You're gonna pack it also just to create, and they kind of mix, so it just creates kind of like a lighter green. Pack it in that crease with that yellow and make it like that. And then you're gonna go in with the fluffy brush that you use for the green and just blend in that green with the yellow. Go in with the clean one. Diffuse the edges. I know it looks a little patchy, but don't worry. We're putting it on a different color, so it'll work itself out. So we're doing invite only with this silicone packing brush, glitter packing brush. Take that and then put it on the top. And then take more of that yellow and pack it on at the edge so it kind of blends in with the glitter. I packed on some yellow on top to make this a little bit brighter and more yellow toned. So the glitter looks more yellow, if you get what I mean. This is also with the Saweetie collection with Morphe, and it's this little small tipped packing blending brush, Green Room color, and I'm going in the bottom lash line. I'm kind of bringing it really towards this eye. The same yellow brush in the bottom lash line, and I'm packing in some yellow kind of in the beginning. And then I'm taking this, my favorite BH Cosmetic brush. It's this pointy fluffy brush. I'm taking that yellow, and watch, I'm going to diffuse the bottom part of this green with yellow to diffuse the bottom lash line. Collection also has this kind of like small flat brush, and I'm taking this brush, and in the inner corner I'm hitting it with this color called All Access right here, kind of where that yellow, where I placed that yellow, but a little bit more closer to the glittered end. Alright, I'm gonna do this eyeliner on camera. Hopefully I don't fuck up. Whew! Shit. Okay. So So I wear the Ardell Wispies in 113 Ardell lashes. These are my go-to lashes. And I use the black duo glue for my glue. I make sure they're tacky before I actually put them on, because then they just move all over the place. I place them on the middle, and I always use like a mirror underneath me so I know where I'm placing them. And I don't cut my lashes because these ones fit me, so I don't need to cut them down. Putting the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline so I can blend my real lashes to my fake ones. Here on the bottom lash line. It's kind of bothering me a little bit. Alright, so I do have primer on my face. I did use the e.l.f. putty primer that I mentioned in my other video. I'm just going to put a little bit more on, just in case it like wore off. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Fenty foundation. Okay, I'm going to put some concealer. More of the e.l.f. concealer. Alright, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera because my battery is dying, but I've done my full face in the last video I did, so you guys can check that out, how I do my face, and contour and whatever. But I'm going to finish my face off camera, and then we're going to come back and chat. So the Sweetie collection did have the lip glosses, and I did get them. Whoa. Because how are you going to get the Sweetie collection without getting the gloss? Like, girl, you need the gloss. Because she's all about the glosses, and I was like, ooh, they're going to be good glosses. So I was like, I'm going to get them. So I'm going to use this one right here. Nude Pink by NYX. Basically just to outline your lips so you look like you have lips. And then doing the Boss, this color. This is the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're notified of when I post on my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I will put all the links at the end card. But yeah, I have nothing else to say, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye!